don't so tired. You know they take a holiday.
G.I.G lórúkọ mi, iṣẹ́ bricklayer ni mo ń ṣe. Ẹ̀yin pàdé mi, ìdí iṣẹ́ ni láti mẹ́yìn lọ́lẹ̀ o. Ẹni tí ò bá ṣiṣẹ́ á jalè. Ìdí iṣẹ́ ni l'Ọlọ́run ti máa bless èèyàn. Ẹ̀yin pàdé mi, ẹ tẹpá mọ́ṣẹ́ yín. Iṣẹ́ ni la fi ń dẹni gíga.
You write application, you go for auditions, but still, it be like saying no they pay. They don't laugh you tired. Some say until your mate get the aeroplane. Before you go make camp, you beg God to make camp.
My name is PLENTI, known as Omo Naija. I'm an advocate of skill acquisition. Especially, I encourage youth to have a plan B. Not all people that went to school will have a white-collar job. That's why I always encourage them that they should have a plan B. I've trained over 40 youths on this, and today we glorify God. Because as Nigeria of today, no one can be assured of getting white-collar jobs. So by doing this, it will reduce unemployment among our youth, and you will be a boss of yourself. So that's why I always encourage youth. So if you are going to school, have a plan B. If your certificate cannot give you a job, what you have at hand can feed you and your family. That's my advice for the youth.
My name is Obas. I'm a native of Imo State. You see, hustling is good. You understand? It's good because some guys now in the street, they will go about in skill, do all kinds of negative something, but it's not good. It's good for you to come out and hustle. At the end, you achieve something. So like me now, it's here that we are managing. Going here, we hustle. Nothing like police harassment or SARS. You understand? So I advise every youth, every young boy to hustle. It's very, very good. Hustle hard. Hustle is hustle. If you like a hustle hard or soft, hustle is a hustle. So that's my own opinion. Thank you, brother.
My name is Madikanaya. Things are not really working well. But hustle.
My name is Oyoluwa. I am a cow skin seller, popularly known as Pomo. Gẹ̀rẹ̀mí Yorùbá orúkọ mi ní Oyoluwa, mo ń ta Pomo ní roundabout garage. Nǹkan tí mo kàn fẹ́ ká mọ̀ ni pé ká tẹra mọ́ṣẹ́ wa. Pomo tí mò ń ta yìí, àwọn èèyàn máa ń sá sóró márùn-ún, ṣùgbọ́n ìdí iṣẹ́ ìdẹ̀tí ni owó wà. Ẹ tẹra mọ́ṣẹ́, torí tá a bá tẹra mọ́ṣẹ́ tá a jalè, òun la fi lè gbé orílẹ̀-èdè wa ga. Òun náà la fi lè ran àwọn ìjọba wa náà lọ́wọ́, tàbí lè ran wa lọ́wọ́. And again, ká wà educated, torí anything lè come our way. Ẹ ṣé o.
My name is Sherifat Bidemi, the Adi Mrs. I'm married and I'm a mother. I'm into catering. That's my job. So I do chips, chin and plantain chips. I do supply in those things. And aside that, I do the other stuff like fried rice, jollof rice, and other snacks. I do meat, meat sauce and all that. So I'm enjoying what I'm doing. It's what I love to do. So it's what I love to do, and I enjoy doing it every day because it's giving me joy while doing it. So I just want to tell my youth, my fellow youth, and my upcoming growing up kids is that you just have to do something. Like Yoruba always say that I'm a graduate and I was once working in the office, but after that, being married and to cope with children, I have to resign And after that, you know, I can't just stay at home. I just have to get something doing. I still have other things that I'm doing. I'm into online business, but that alone can't help. So I just have to do other things. So you keep working, you keep hustling, you get your balance, you get to where you are going. You can't keep begging. You just have to do something. You just have to work. That's what is going to keep you growing. That's until you get there, until you make it. Just keep the hustle going. Everything will be perfect at the end of the day.
Hello everyone, my name is Jamiat Abdul. I'm a businesswoman and I sell thrift clothing. So there's this Yoruba adage that says that Ishe logun ishe, which means hard work cures poverty. So if you don't work hard, how would you expect to get money? You want to look good but you don't want to work hard. Hard work pays. At the end of the day, like, you would see the results of your hard work. So why not just work hard now that we are strong and healthy and we are still young? So even wealthy people that you see that drive big cars all over the place, at one point in their life they were working really hard, like they were doing everything. So just give it your all. You need to work hard so that you can have money and have a good life.
So my brother hustle, so my sister work, no condition. So my brother hustle, so my sister walk.
Nǹkan téèyàn ṣe tí ò ṣe tolúwẹ̀ bá lè ṣiṣẹ́ á lówó, bó ò ṣiṣẹ́ bó yọ̀lẹ́ kò ní sówó lọ́wọ́ èyí.
My name is Steven Shilaka. What is it? I sell barber materials. Any type, clipper, anything I will sell. Onye ọrụ eriji, onye ọrụ ọrụ ya enweta ezigbo ego, onye na-arụ ha no food, nweghị onye ọ ga-enweta ezi.
Ọmọ yẹn ni mo wà ní Ìkòròdú, mo ń ta èso ní rádàbà. Iṣẹ́ ni ògùn ìṣẹ́, múra sí iṣẹ́ ọ̀rẹ́ mi, iṣẹ́ ló mú ẹni gíga.
My name is Kenny Amasa. I sell drinks, I sell wine. You can call me for the party or chilling your drinks. My shop is at #1 Putin Street. I appreciate it.
No condition lasts forever. Turn they come on. Make you hustle, make you walk your.
What's up, people? I'm G.I.G, popular known as AJ. I run Cyber Cafe. I'm a computer operator. I just want to tell you, hustle hard, hustle long, hustle. As you can see, we are hustling.
See this life not time by time, no, your time they come because no be only you kill Jesus. Show me fancy where walk out, from night to now the fancy where go jump if no give up. See this life not time by time, no, your time they come.
My name is Rosie Mark. I'm living in Lagos at the product garage. I am feeding orange for a living. This is what I am doing right now because of a lack of job in Nigeria. This is what I'm doing right now.
Assalamu alaikum Lagosians. Ina fatan ragganci baya da amfani, ya kamata mun tsaye da kanmu mu neman makamu, gwamnati ba za ta ba mu ba, dole ne mu neman makamu. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Polari Samuel and I just started secondary school recently. So I'm just here to say a little thing. Firstly, I am here assisting my mother in selling pepper. My mother is a trader. This opportunity to assist her. Although I'm here to assist her for some time because
I'm looking for money to enter the university, but I'm still here to support her. It's just for a period of time. I know God is blessed us, but I'm just using this opportunity to tell the young of nowadays that we must we steal or we do 419. We can make money and in different things. Another thing I want to say is our government should provide employment opportunity by building a company in Nigeria, because the way things are going now, we don't even understand. Things are very expensive nowadays. Things that we're supposed to be buying, we are not buying in time. Things are not like before. Everything has changed. We just need our government to help us for now. I sell shawarma in the garage, and my shawarma is good. If you test it, you like. Hustle and you chop. If you don't hustle, you don't eat. So it's good for you to hustle. It's good to have business you're doing in your life, so that at the end you achieve good. Thank you very much.
Plenty for that.
Don't let your hopes cut.
Not the only you, Jesus. We plenty for that.